To get started with this lab, first you want to launch a browser and then you want to log into Bluemix. So I have my homepage set to Google, so I will go ahead and look for Bluemix and then click on that URL, and then that will bring me to the homepage of Bluemix. So I will go ahead and log in. So I'll put in my IBM ID and a password. Once I'm logged in, I will be presented with the home page, and I will go ahead and create an application. So I will click on the Create Application button, and I can decide whether I want to create from boilerplate or not. In this case, I do want to create an application using a boilerplate, and I will go ahead and choose this Node.js CloudinDB web starter. So I click on that, and then I will provide an application name. What is important about this filling this information out is that your host name needs to be unique, because if it's not unique and if somebody else already used that host name, then you will run into an error when you try to create this application. Other than that, everything else you could pretty much leave using the default. So for example, I'll leave the domain as mybluemix.net, and for the selected plan, I'll stick with the default. And for Cloud and NoSQL database, I will go ahead and use the Lite. And when I click on the Create button for this application, it will go ahead and include the SDK for Node.js and also a service for Cloud and NoSQL database. And as you can see, you could also review your pricing plan right here. This is a pricing plan for the Node.js SDK. And if you click on the Cloud and NoSQL database, it tells you the pricing plan for that as well. So go ahead and click on the Create button. So it will take a few minutes for the application to be started. Once the application has been started and running, you can view the application, the sample application, simply by clicking on the View Application button. And there you go, there is your sample application.